आम्ही एक नवीन MOU आहे सायन केलेले आसा मिस्टर मीर म्हणून आयिल्ले आसा त्यांच्या वांगडा मिस्टर भौमिक आणि मिस्टर जितेंद्र फ्रॉम युवराज सिंग जे फेमस क्रिकेटर आहा आणि ते बी एक कॅन्सर सर्वायवर आहा त्यांच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी नवी इनिशिएटिव्ह स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट हे करतात iBREAST म्हणून त्यांची एक स्टार्टअप कंपनी आहा ते 10 देशांत त्यांचे प्रोडक्ट त्यांचो वापरलो वयता आणि ते महिला खातीर मॅमोग्राफीचे पहिले प्री स्क्रीनिंग फॉर ब्रेस्ट कॅन्सर आणि हे सगळे करपाक गोंय राज्यान आमचे एक आमी ह्याच म्हयन्यान आमी स्टेट हेल्थ सोसायटी कडेन आमी वी विल हॅव अ टायअप आणि हे टायअप आमी फुडें व्हरतले 1 लाख महिलांक सद्या सुरवातीक आमी ते स्क्रीनिंग करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो म्हणजे हे गॅजेट खंय वचूं शकता ल्हान गॅजेट फाटल्या फावट तुमी पळयल्ले आसा आनी हे गॅजेट म्हणून आयज ते मुद्दम आयल्या युवराज सिंगचे फाउंडेशन आहा ते बी स्वता कॅन्सर सर्वायवर जावन ते आमकां पाठिंबो दितले त्यांचे संस्थेच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आणि दिस इनिशिएटिव्ह विल हेल्प इन सेविंग सो मेनी मोर लाइव्स इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा and Mr. Bhaumik has come from their company and they are the ones who have manufactured this unique through their own startup which is now being utilized all over in different parts of the world and this will benefit the people of the world. म्हणून आम्ही एक ट्रायपार्टाइट एग्रीमेंट करता between State Health Society and तेंच्यो कंपनी कडेन to take this forward and we are planning to launch it somewhere between the 15th and 26th of Jan for sure.
So Yuvraj Singh Foundation was started by famous cricketer Yuvraj Singh, who himself is a cancer survivor. And the reason why we are in Goa is because we are working on the prospects of a tripartite agreement with the government of Goa to come and do screening of 100,000 women for breast cancer in the state of Goa. And we are very positive as Yuvraj Singh Foundation about this project. So till now we have screened more than 350,000 people across the country and educated over 50,000 women on breast examination. So we've never done a state level project before for the entire state. So we're really looking forward to this project. Yuvraj himself is very excited. Sorry.
This will be first state project.
This is going to be a first state level project where we're doing 100,000 women in one go, in one state. Till now we've screened over 350,000 women, but in different parts of the country. So this is going to be the largest project that we also undertake in that level. And Yuvraj himself is very, very excited about this program because he himself being a cancer survivor is really looking forward to kind of doing a project at such a big scale.
Okay.